cheese. These are your Easter boxes from Nanny, aren't they? A box? Can you open yours?
Open mine.
Open yours. Come on, Carter.
Open you. Open.
Yeah, you can open it.
Sticker.
It's tape. What about the other box, Carter? Carter, look at the other box. What's that?
Shirt.
Shirts? Wow. What about the other box? Oh, I think there's cards on it. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Open mine. I'll open.
Hold on, look. Look right here. See right here? Yeah, good job. See, look, there's a card on here. See the card?
I see card.
Hold on. Here, bring it over here. Put all the grass back in. Put all the grass back in. Let's get Carter's opened up. But look, there's a card.
Huh?
See, there's a card.
See?
Can you open it? Look, Carter.
Huh?
This one says Carter Whittington. Who's
Whittington?
Who's Carter Whittington? What's your name? Here.
Hey.
Where's your card? Get the paper, Carson. Let's get your card. Right there.
Morning.
Get your paper. Yeah, bring it here. Oh, wow. Yeah, look, there's a card on it. No. What is it? Here, Carson, do you want to look in yours?
Yeah.
Let's get the bags out of the way.
Mama, mommy.
Hold on. Hey, be careful. Here, Carter, what else is in there? I think Nanny and Pappy did this on purpose. Daddy, look.
Wow.
What's that?
Open.
Take everything out and let's look at everything first. Can you do that? Come on, you're missing out.
Open.
Open everything first. Carson, look at Mommy. Bring it over here and set it down. Here, come over here and get what else is in your basket, okay?
Mommy.
I'll set it right here.
Mommy.
Look, let's lay everything in your basket right here, okay?
Right here.
Yes, right there.
Cherry.
No, you're supposed to put it over there. What is that? What's that, Carter? Carson, look. Show me. Show me. What is it?
Do we do
Really?
a man?
Let me see. You love Scooby-Doo, don't you? Carter, what's in your box? You don't know?
I'll open my. I'll open. You're right.
Whoa. Carter, hand me your card.
Huh?
Your card that's behind you. Hey.
Tinny. Oh, a tinny. Good.
What, Carter?
Good.
It's good. Set all your candy on the table. Oh,
I did it.
what is that?
Like that?
What is that? Is that an elephant?
No.
What is it? Who is that? Max and Ruby?
Yeah.
Show Carson.
See? Wow.
Who is it?
Dava.
You see Dora?
Dava. See up.
Carter, who is that? Who?
The teddy.
It is. Who's the other movie? Where's your other movie?
Where is he? Wow.
Sadie, no, no.
Bunny rabbit.
A bunny rabbit?
Bunny candy. Bunny.
Wow.
Mommy.
No, remember? We need to open everything up first and then we're going to have dinner.
Dava. What's that?
Carson. What is
Shirt.
a shirt?
A shell. Sugar. Sugar.
No, no sticker. A- can you say lizard? Lizard.
Sure.
Do you like them?
Sure.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Nanny and Pappy? Over here. Look right here. Say thank you, Nanny and Pappy.
Thank you. Hey, Papi.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy and say it, Carson.
Thank you, Papi.
Good job, Carter. Carson?
Thank you, Papi. Nanny.
Oh, good job. Do you want to say it again, Cart?
Thank you, Nanny.
And Pappy?
Huh? Let me open.
Well, we need to clean up all the trash first, okay? So we're going to pick up all of our prizes and put... No. Carter. Carter. Are you going to clean it up? I know one thing we're not going to put in your basket this Sunday morning.
Mama?
Okay, are you going to go sit at the table and I'll clean up the mess?
We're gonna have dinner first. We're gonna have dinner first. You wonder why I was waiting.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses. But no, look at Mommy. Blow kisses.
Bye-bye.
Carson, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.